Welcome everybody to my first video on this channel. Today this is part 1 of my e-bike conversion kit build where I'm building the cleanest 3 kilowatt e-bike. Let's go through everything I've got here. First of all, I've got a giant Talon 3 large frame with 133mm dropouts that will hopefully fit 72 volt battery. I've got two 29-inch tires ready to go. This one's front rim, which I put 203mm rotors on that one already, and then that one just taking the rim out and stored it because that's gonna have the hub motor ready to go. Then I've got my forks and all my stuff laid out. You may be wondering why is it stripped, because it is getting powder coated electric blue soon, and I'm so excited for that one. And also the bars will also be getting more chroma, so yeah, it's gonna be really good. But in this part, we're going to be unboxing everything I got from Temu and AliExpress for my build. Alrighty guys, I've been waiting for this for around 4 weeks now. It is a lot of parts, so let's get straight into it. I've got my masking knife here, so I'm just going to quickly open that. And she's open. If we give it a good shake, it sounds like some good stuff in there. Alrighty guys, and as you can see in front of me, I've got my AliExpress order ready, and looks like it's not in the best condition, but hopefully all my parts are all good. So let's take everything out one by one and see what we got. First, starting here, we got key ignition. So have a look at the quality of this, and okay, well, nice little screen there. Comes with the tape already on the screen. Got a nice 3-pin plug connector there. Yeah, pretty good. Next we have a little package here. Okay. Ooh, wow, chrome stem. Wow, would you look at that, everybody? That is nice. I think I paid only around $11 for this. I'll also go through the prices and put them up on the screen for everything. So yeah, 11 I reckon dollars-ish, maybe more, but yeah, it's pretty good quality for $11. We got next a variety of parts. We'll have a look in here. Looks like a nice seat tire valve for the tube. Looks like I got a nice little seat clamp here, black, pretty good, pretty basic, but hey, what can we do? What else we got in here? We got lever grips, another tire thing. Leave that in there. Grips, look at that, nice, perfect for you know, better grip maybe when it's wet and stuff like that. That might help me a bit. And I'm actually getting MT410s for this build, so yeah, stay tuned for the installing of those. Next, we've got some heavy duty torque arms, right, people? Now this is one of the most important things. Torque arms, why? Because they hold everything together in the dropouts. These washers and the actual torque arms itself hold the axle so it doesn't spin. If it spins, the dropouts in your bike can break, snap, whatever, and you know, then it's it's a really expensive fix. So that's those. Happy with those. We got a stem cap. I like this. Nice little ride or die stem cap. Take a look at that. Chrome. Yes, I'm doing electric blue plus chrome, so that's pretty nice. So I reckon I know what these are. Oh yes, these are the most expensive probably thing here, but chrome pegs, look at that, just shining in the light, ready to be mounted to my bike. Really nice. That's beautiful. I have got my other 203 rotor. The other one I had laying around, but this one for my rear. And take a look. Really, beautiful. 203 massive. That thing is like bigger than both my hands, or maybe, I don't know. That's a comparison, by the way. So yeah, pretty big. What's here? Long package, but it's just grips. That's just one, but I think you know that, you know, it just grips pretty basic. And ooh, some brake pads. Quite like those. Yep, better brake pads. And one of the cleanest things to make your thing a bit cleaner, a wire box. Looking good. And the last thing, a wanted keychain. Nice, perfect. And that is all for the unboxing. Hey guys, and 5 minutes later, everything is sorted out. Down in the corner here, 2 grips for the brake levers, plus some tire cap for the air. I got a 203mm rotor from these are all from AliExpress. I got a nice little seat clamp, some brake pads, ODI plate, not real, but what can we do? Some chrome pegs, some nice black waffled grips, heavy duty torque arms for 3 kilowatt, whatever. A stem cap, chrome, wanted keychain, key ignition, wire box. Estimate what the final price is in the comments, but everything here was around $100 AUD, maybe less, around that. Okay, that's an estimate. So yeah, a little bit, but I wanted to go fully out on this. Obviously, you don't have to get everything here. You can literally get whatever comes in your kit, put it on your bike and start riding. I just wanted to go fully out and build the cleanest 3 kilowatt I could. So yeah everyone, that's the end of part 1. If you guys want to see more videos like this, which will be coming, next part will probably be assembling everything. I don't have the kit with me yet, it's still coming from China. If you're also wondering where I got the kit from, it's from Alibaba. So that's also being powder coated next, and I'll try and put all the things I can on the bike ready for the build. It's going to be so good, and stay tuned for the other parts. Thanks for watching, everybody.